I was sent this set of plier organizers and asked you my opinion on them, make this short video. So let's check them out and see what you get. Here's everything in the box. So if you see right off the bat, you've got some wider gaps here down to narrow. So you got some different options of sizing there. And then looking at each one, they'll connect to each other because you got a little clip here. You can slide that in like this. And then lock 2 rows in place like that. But individually, these have magnets going across, and you can slide each of them out. So you can piece this together any way you'd like across all these different options. So here we go like this. Extend that one out with the wider ones here, and maybe I want to use more narrow ones on the other end down here like this. So all kinds of options for how this is used in your toolbox. So here we are in my toolbox. I already had a rack for some of my pliers here, but everything else is just in a big pile. This is a great setup because I was able to adjust it and just put the very fine ones here, which is a lot that I have to store, and then the larger ones at the top, so I can get the best use of the space. And you can mix and match, so I really like that option. So go ahead and let's get this stacked up and cleaned up, and we'll see how much better this looks. So there we go. Real easy to stack. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 10 or 12 here. Got room for more, and I can get a lot more organized with this, and I can know that it's going to stay in place because those magnets hold it right to the bottom of that drawer just nicely, even through my padding. So overall, I'm really impressed with this set. There's so many things you can do to mix and match, keep your stuff organized, whether it's wrenches or pliers. They work great for either scenario. So it's a lot of flexibility that you're going to have when you're using these kind of connectors. So hey, I hope that was helpful to learn a little bit more, and hope this information has been useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.